Hello everybody. Today is day 2 of Let's Frame a Shed. So we are going to get back into some of the cutting of the metal. We have some purlins that we need to cut for our side pieces at the top. We got most of the framing done yesterday with regards, we got all the posts up, we have the mid sections done on the horizontals. We have the header above the door in, and we have the section below the window in. So some of it's welded, some of it's bolted, and then my son's got to come back through when he has a chance and finish the welding around the base of the posts, and the header welding still has to be done. I could probably do pull-ups on it right now, but I'm going to wait just in case I come crashing down. What we're going to work on today is the side purlins go from the front to the back on a slight angle, and we are going to be running the back post. So what we did, we originally had this thing set out at 10'6" on the front post, and it was just way too tall. So I cut it back down to 8'10", and the back posts are 8'4". So that's a 6-inch drop over 12 feet, which put us at a 1/2 inch per foot drop. So our drainage is going to be really nice on the top. So with that drop and the 6-inch drop in the ceiling, because the purlins are 6 inches, so the top of the post is 8'10", but the top of the ceiling inside the shed after drywall is going to be approximately 8'4" or so. And then the back is going to be 7'10" at the top. So we're still going to have room to hold barbells up and do our workouts and do everything in the shed, workout in the gym. That's what we wanted, and we're down to a manageable height. It was just a little bit too tall with it 10.5 feet long. So I'm just going to get in it, start cutting metal, and we may be able to get some of these up and bolted in place today. It's going to be another hot day. So right now it is in the, I'd say, mid to high 90s, and it's supposed to be 100 degrees today by 4 o'clock. It's hot, but that's why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, put my hat on, try to keep as much sun off my body as possible. I probably will be happy that I did that, especially I don't really wear too much sunscreen. I just try to keep my body covered right now, and then keep the sun off me, because I'm out here every single day. This sun would be brutal, absolutely brutal. All right. So yesterday I got in the pool, as you remember, and to put my pool light back in, and my GoPro went in the water with me, and I guess the battery cover was not completely closed because the GoPro filled up with water, and it seems to be working now. I let it dry out all night. Thank goodness. We are in Arizona where we have a dry heat. Everything evaporates rather quickly. And now it's working, it seems. So let's hope not to do that again. I ordered a secondary waterproof case for my GoPro, so now I can get back in the pool with the camera, and I can bring more underwater photos to you, underwater video. I'm gonna get back in this. As you can see, our 3-inch purlins for our framing, these are bolted, and then it's not the prettiest welding, but all the tabs were welded on here by me yesterday, and these purlins sit on top of that tab, and then they're screwed in after we plumbed up each post. That's how we got to where we are right now. And then we have we're just tacked in right here and along the top on both sides of our header, which we just used 2 3-inch purlins, and we welded these things together in certain sections just to get these things done, because we were originally going to be using a 3x3 post like this as our header, and when I ran out of material I didn't have quite enough, so we just used the leftover purlins and made our own header. And then the bottom of the window is going to be right here, and then we're going to go up to about the 80-inch mark, somewhere up in here. That's going to be the top of our window. So our window is 5 foot by 5 foot. It's going to go there, and that's going to be the viewpoint looking out the window to the palm tree. It's going to be beautiful. All right, so I'm going to get back in this. I'm going to have to cut some metal, and then hopefully I'll be able to get this metal up in the air and bolted in, and we can start working that way and get this thing framed at the top, get our purlins up there, get our roof material up, and then we're going to go ahead and order our outside skin, and then we're going to go ahead. We were thinking about doing the drape over kind of a rolled insulation, but I think we may do wiring, roof, walls on the outside, and then go ahead and do a blow-in or an expandable foam insulation in here, and that may be the easiest way and rather economical as well. And then we'll drywall the inside, put everything in here, and let's get this bad boy rolling as a gym. We're looking forward to it. All right, I'm gonna keep working. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments. Let us know what you think so far. We will be, we're gonna be working hard to get this thing done. Thanks for watching again, and I hope I've inspired. Take care, bye-bye. Okay, that was the last purlin for the framing in. So now I just got a few more bolts, and this thing is framed except for the top of the window that needs to go in. God, those things are heavy. Wow. Anyway, so the top of the window needs to go in. Then the, let's see here, what else? And then some more welding on some of the base of the post. A little bit more welding on the header, and this thing is framed. And we'll get to start working on electrical and putting in the door and the window. It's pretty exciting. This went up in literally, my guess is 5 to 6 hours total from the time that we started putting down the base metal on the slab yesterday morning. So I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out so far. It's hot. It's about 100 degrees out here. I don't know if many of you have 100-degree days. Those of you who do, you know my struggle. But those of you that are sitting in 80 or 90 degree with all this humidity, that's even worse. We don't have humidity very much here, so it's not that bad for us. Whew. But that pool over there is looking really inviting. So I got to put six screws in each end. Looks like I got about 24 screws, and I will be done with my framing. Love it. Absolutely love it. So I'm gonna get going. Keep watching. See ya. Okay, I'm done with my framing today. I don't think I'm gonna do any more. That was literally only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, but they were the 6 biggest pieces, and they were all 15 feet long and weighed a ton each. So, which means I lifted 6 tons. Whew! All right, check this out. It's all done. Oh, look at that. There's the side. There's the back. There's the other side. There's the front. And there's the roof middle purlin sections. I'm done. I think I'm just going to jump in the pool. So, see ya. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for the next fun episode of building a shed, overbuilding a shed. See you later. Bye.